Formulae a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. There is a square here. In all the three parts you get 2 square 2b square. When you expand a plus b whole square, the product will have 3 parts: a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, when there is minus here, in the product you will have 1 minus sign. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b. When you have 1 plus here, 1 minus here, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. The product of these two is a square minus b square. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. In place of b we have 1 by a. So 2 times a into 1 by a will get cancelled, we get 2. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square, because in place of b we have 1 by a, therefore 1 by a square plus 2ab. 2 times a into 1 by a will get cancelled, you get 2. A plus 1 by a square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. A minus b, a minus 1 by a whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In place of b we have 1 by a, that is 1 by a square minus 2ab. In place of a we have a, in place of b 1 by b, 1 by a, this a and this a will get cancelled, will be left out with 2. Therefore a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. A plus b whole cube, there is a cube 3. In all the 3 parts of this product, this expression will get 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. A minus b whole cube, there is a minus here. In the expression, in all the places you get minus, because there is a minus here. When you expand this, you get this: a cube minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. A plus b plus c whole square, that is equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. When you multiply this with a and this with b and this part with c, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula for this. A plus b minus c whole square, that is equal to a plus b minus c into a plus b minus c. Wherever you multiply with minus c with other term, that will become minus. This is a square plus b square plus c square. 2ab, because we are multiplying c with b, minus 2bc, once again c with a, minus 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This minus is because of this minus c. A plus b plus minus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. A minus b plus c whole square is equal to a minus b plus c into a minus b plus c. A square plus b square plus c square. Anything you multiply with minus b will become minus. Minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. In all the three parts, the first three terms remains the same. A square plus b square plus c square, a square plus c square, b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. A plus 1 by a whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. In place of b we have 1 by a. A cube plus 1 by a. A cube plus 3 into a into 1 by a. Then a will get cancelled. That's why there is 3 here into a plus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 times a plus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a whole cube. There is a minus here. In all the places on the right hand side you will have minus. A cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a minus 1 by a. X plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, where a and b are constants. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X minus a into x minus b. In both the places you have a minus. Therefore, x square minus a plus b into x plus b. When both the places when you have minus, you will have minus in one place, and the last term you get plus ab. X minus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. There is only one minus here. In rest of the places it is plus. X plus a into x minus b, x minus a into x plus b. In one of these there is a minus here, there is a one minus here. In any one of these there is a minus. In all the places you get minus. X plus a into x minus b, there is a minus b here, therefore b minus a. X square minus b minus a into x minus ab. There is a minus sign for b, then this is going to be b minus a. When you expand this you get this. I am only reading the formula. You can find out multiplying this with x and once again this with minus b. X plus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus b minus a into x minus ab. X minus a into x plus b. There is one minus sign here. Then in all the places you get minus. X square minus. There is a minus, then a comes first. Minus a minus b into x minus ab. X minus a into x plus b is equal to x square minus a minus b into x minus ab. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides. The sum of interior angles of a polygon with n side is equal to 2 times n minus 4 into right angles. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to 2 times n minus 4 into right angles. For a regular polygon, interior angles are equal, sides are equal, exterior angles are equal. For regular polygon of n sides, sum of interior angles is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90, where n is the number of sides. Each interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. To find out each interior angle, so that means each interior angle equal. If you find out one, then all will become equal. Each interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 divided by n, where n is the number of sides of a polygon. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. Sum of whatever may be the polygon, sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. Each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. If it is a triangle, this is going to be 3. If it is a quadrilateral, n is going to be 4. If it is a pentagon, n is equal to 5. Hexagon, 6. Each exterior angle 360 divided by number of sides. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. Number of sides n of the regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle equals 180. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral equals 360 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of a pentagon equals 540. Sum of the interior angles of a hexagon is equal to 720 degrees. The perimeter of a triangle with sides A, B and C is equal to A plus B plus C. The area of a triangle for which the sides are given when you don't have the height of a triangle, when you know the sides, lengths of the sides of a triangle, you can find out the area of a triangle using the formula square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is semi-perimeter of the circle. S can be calculated by using the formula s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to a plus b plus c. Area of a triangle whose height is not known, but when we know the sides of a triangle ABC, then the area of such a triangle is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. When you have the base and altitude or height of a triangle, you can find out the area of a triangle using the formula area of a triangle is equal to of base into altitude. Area of equilateral triangle, when triangle has got all the sides are equal, then area of such a triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. If the side is equal to A, therefore area of equilateral triangle of side A is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 times side. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Diagonal of rectangle is equal to square root of L square plus B square. Diagonal of a rectangle is equal to square root of L square plus B square. Square of side A. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 times the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the side. Area of the square is equal to A into A, that is side square. The diagonal D of square is equal to side into root 2. This diagonal of a square is equal to side into root 2. This is a trapezium. This is side A. This is side B. These two are parallel. This is the distance between the parallel sides. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. This plus this into the height, that is distance between the parallel sides. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into A plus B, sum of the parallel sides into height. Area of a parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into corresponding height. If you take this as a base, then you have to take this as height. If you take this as base, then you have to take this as height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into corresponding height. How do you find out the area of a parallelogram when the height is not given, when the sides are given? Area of a parallelogram A, B, C, D, they are given the sides, the parallel sides A and B. We need to find out the area of a parallelogram. If we draw a diagonal, then we have two triangles. Therefore, area of a parallelogram is equal to 2 times the area, because these two triangles are equal. 2 times the area of one triangle will give the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 times the area of a triangle ABC. Where area of a triangle, we know that area of a triangle, when we know the two sides of a triangle, can be found out using square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Once we find out the area of this triangle, multiply with that 2, then you get the area of a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. This is a parallelogram if the sides are equal. If this side is equal to this side, this is equal to this side, this is equal to this side, then we call this parallelogram as a rhombus. When the all sides of a parallelogram are equal, then that is called as a rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 4 into side. If the length of the side is a centimeters, then 4a. Then the perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 4 into side, that is equal to 4 into a. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. To find out the area of a rhombus, we need to multiply the diagonals. So half into product of its diagonals. Half into, if AC and BD are the diagonals of a rhombus, then half into AC into BD will give the area of the rhombus. Diameter of a circle D is given by 2 times radius. The diameter of a circle is given by 2 times radius. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square, where pi is equal to 22 by 7. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Area of this circular path, this path, which is shaded path, is given by pi into r square minus r square, where r is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. The r square minus r square multiplied by pi will give the area of this circular path.